Hey guys, and today I would like to showcase this game called Track It Back. This game teaches us the process of growing some of the common fruit items that we use at home. It also tells us how some organizations have helped the growing of these items to be more friendly to the rainforest, and where the plants that they come from can be located in the rainforest. This is the URL of the game and can be found by following the link in the description of the video. When you first play, there are 3 options that come up, and you can either click chocolate, coffee, or bananas. Today, we'll be using bananas as an example. Once you've clicked Track It Back under your favorite option, a page should come up that looks like this, depending on which option you have chosen. This page tells us a whole lot of information about your chosen food or plant. Once you've read all this, you can click on this button start the game. Here are the instructions. Arrange the stages from banana plant to supermarket. Roll over the images for descriptions of each step. Now, in these cards, you must arrange these cards in these slots. And if you roll your mouse over the cards, it tells you some information about each process. So let's go ahead and position these cards. That one. Finally, you will see a man saying congratulations, you've tracked it back, and some more informative facts about the relationship of the rainforest and your chosen food of drink. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.